News coming in from the Supreme Court. The Apex Court has said they are not going to direct a uniform scheme for Class 12 board's examination results. Supreme Court has said each board will have to spell out its own scheme. Each board will have experts that can advise correctly what is to be done. Anisha Mathur, our legal correspondent, is now joining me. Anisha, this is interesting. So, of course, the boards have had their scheme. It's been an unprecedented time. But what does the Supreme Court precisely say by adding that the court is not going to decide, we leave it to the board to decide on the scheme?
Well, there are multiple petitions being heard in the Supreme Court, and at the moment as we speak, the court is hearing what is going to happen in the state boards. Now, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Assam, and there are some other states which hadn't clearly declared what they are going to do as far as the Class 12 board exams are concerned. And there were PILs being heard by the court where the petitioners had asked for a uniform system of evaluation for Class 12 results across the state boards. In that, the court has very clearly said that they are not going to prescribe or order any specific, I beg your pardon, any specific kind of evaluation criteria. And it is for each state board to create their own evaluation criteria. At the moment, the court is hearing the Kerala government with regard to what they are planning to do. Andhra government, of course, has been told that they need to create a complete, comprehensive evaluation criteria as well as logistics about how they are going to hold the exam, because the government, the court, is not very happy with the fact that while the Andhra and Kerala governments have said that they will hold the Class 12 exams, they haven't exactly given a clear scheme of how the exam will actually be conducted. That hearing is going on as we speak. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Anisha. Very interesting reference by the court that at least the state boards will have to decide